Hi, this is Linda and this is my channel Tarot and Mysteries. Today I'm gonna share with you the second of tarot cards. This is the beautiful, mystical, magical High Priestess. She is the priestess to all the goddesses, so she will be hiding under her veil, behind her, all the secrets. She will tell you exactly what you need, not more, not less. She knows all the mystical sides of this world. She knows all the laws. She's a part of it. If you pull out this card, you might be called to connect stronger and deeper within with your own intuition, as she's also guiding that. Her connection to the moon is perfect. And if you wish to understand and know more, connect with the High Priestess. I'm very curious to know if you feel connected with intuition at this time. I would be glad to tell you more ways how to do it. Let me know in the comments below. And this is Tarot Mysteries, the channel for your most blissful growth. See you next time. Ciao.